Hey there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. Welcome back to the channel. I got a good one for you today. I'm going to show you how you can add a pop of color to any image using what's already in the picture. And if you hang with me until the end, I have a really great bonus tip for you. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by going to canva.com, come over to uploads here on the left, then click on the uploads button. Locate the image in our files, right click on the image, and then replace background, and it'll fill it in. To add a pop of color in this scene, we're going to change this arrangement into orange flowers. So begin by clicking on the image, come up to Edit Photo, and then come right over here to Magic Edit. Once it opens, you'll see the options here. You can change your brush size, or you can edit the whole image. But our goal is to just edit this arrangement. Begin by painting over it, the area that you want to change. Make sure you fill it all in. Once you're done, then come back over to the left and click Continue. Now you're going to type in your prompt. In this case, we want orange flowers. Once you're done typing in your prompt, then come down here and click Generate. And as you can see, you get 4 options to choose from. But if you're not happy, you can always come here and generate new results. So after looking at all the different arrangements, this was my final choice. But doesn't it look like they were already there? And here are the results, before and after. Let's look at another scene. So this is a very pure white kitchen. So we want to start with the flowers in this scene as well. I'm going to add a pop of color. So we're going to click on the image, come up to Edit Photo, and then come right over to Magic Edit. And then we're going to paint over the area that we want to change. Once you're done covering that area, click Continue, and then begin to type in your prompt. So we're going to type in pink roses to add that pop of color, and then generate. And you will always get 4 options to choose from. I was torn between these two, but these were my final choice. Which ones did you like better? Let me know in the comments section below. Okay, how about changing these canisters into a stainless steel toaster oven? So we'll go back over to Magic Edit, click on that, paint over the canisters, the area that we want to change, click Continue, and now type in the prompt. Steel toaster oven. Generate. So now we can choose, all of them look fine. So we'll choose that one, say done. And here is your before and after. And now for the bonus tip. So with these beautiful edits that we have made, let's go on and create an open house flyer. So we're going to go home and we're going to come right here to Design Spotlight and come over to the flyers. Search for open house flyers. So we already have this. So click on open house, and then we're going to choose one of the flyers here, and you see there's a large array of templates that you can choose from. Let's go with this one, open house. So you would click on it, and then you come right here where it says customize template. And then you can go on and bring the images that you want to use into these placeholders here. And now it's time to have fun. We're going to make this flyer our own by making some changes here. So we're going to come over to our images over here. And we're going to bring in the images as we want to lay them out on this flyer. So we're just going to bring this over, get it sized into the template that's already prepared. Make sure it's in there really good. So then we're going to bring in the next image. Sometimes the images will snap right into place. If it doesn't, then you just size it into that placeholder. Then we're going to bring this one in. See how that snapped right into place? That's how it's supposed to work. I'm not sure what happened. The next thing we want to do is change this color scheme. So we're going to click on the background. We'll start there. We come right up here to the color picker, click on that, and right here you'll see the colors that are in the photo are right here. We're going to choose the dark gray for the background, Next, we're going to select the line styles. Click on the color picker, and then we'll choose the light gray. Now we're going to change the verbiage. If you hold down Shift, you can select all of the verbiage at one time. Click on the font up here, and then come over and choose your color. For the sake of time, I'm not going to go through the flyer and make changes to all of the information here. To make changes to any of this information, you would just highlight the verbiage that you want to change, come over to the fonts, and then click on the font that you actually want to use, and then you would make the adjustments accordingly. And that's it. You just learned how to reimagine any image of the Magic Edit tool, and then use those images to create a beautifully designed flyer. Let me know in the comments section below if this is a tool that will streamline your workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.